Day in the life of an engineer. I first had to find some stuff to set up this $5,000 printer. Pretty expensive. But first they called me to fix a computer at another location, so I went ahead and did that. It was a pretty simple fix, so I got it done real quick. Came back to the printer, set it up, installed the software that I needed. It was pretty simple to set up. Look at the cable management. After that, I took my lunch and I took a nap as well. I got out at 4:30 and I had to get ready since I was gonna go eat with the boys.
I think we're ready.
Had to go to Walmart to buy some stuff. And can't forget to check the tech aisle. You never know what you'll find.
Do not buy. It is barely 5, guys.
We finally got to the place, but we had to wait like an hour, so I just took a nap. Once we got in, to my surprise, I had to go running to my car since they were towing some cars, so thankfully it wasn't me. We finally got the ramen and then this happened. Yeah, I guess I should have waited a little before opening it. But the ramen was really good. It's one of my favorite places to eat ramen. After that we got some dessert. Best place to get cookies, to be honest. Can't forget the milk. Finally drove back home and I had to do my workout. Some squat, bench press, dips, and pull-ups. And finally went to sleep.